Hello everyone, you are all welcome back to our channel. You are welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching this video from. Guys, in this channel we bring out amazing video, wonderful video, interesting videos. Please do subscribe so that you can see more videos in this channel. As you do so, God bless you. Okay guys, I'm going to leave you to watch this video. Please do comment down below according to the video. As you do so, God bless you. So guys, I leave you. Please watch this video till the ending and see you all in my next video. Bye guys. Thank you all.
The way you will just be talking, I'll be like, wow, are you sure I'm going to make heaven? Are you sure? Will I make heaven? Some people will make you to regret your life for their own personal gain. They will make you regret your own life. Thank you. They will make you to regret your own life for their own personal gain. This pastor, he continued to talk. I will continue to talk. He said, when they asked me, say, where did you stay? I said, I live in Hanover in Germany. I never knew that. He went into his phone and he went to Google Hanover University, where they call Leibniz University, Hanover, the city where I live here. He went to Google it, Leibniz, and he Googled the subject or the course he wants his children to do here. He wanted his two kids, his two daughters, to do a particular course for 2 years like that before they can go back to the UK. Because when you're already in Germany, you already have a student visa from here. Going again to the UK, I don't think is difficult. That was actually his plan. My family is fine. Thank you, Brother Jerry. Now, so this man on the talk. So the other time, after we don't talk for more than 2-3 months, I saw him coming to say, hey, Rita, there's something I really want you to do for me. You know? I said, what's that? Who they put right there for my video? What's your problem? Is it a mistake? I said, what is it that you... Let me see this person. Somebody is putting right there. Please, can you block this person for me, admin, if you are here? Help me Google and me, you block her. So that I know fit again. COVID-19 booster. Oh, go and do it. Oh, it's important. Go do one. They say Pastor preach, Pastor Chris, they preach against and make people not do one again. Anyway, we'll come back to that one. He said the university is what I'm looking for. Leibniz University in Hanover. I want my 2 daughters to come and read a particular course here. Bam, bam, my mind just went, oh God. So this is the reason, greetings brother, this is the reason you have been coming to cancel me all this wise. All this while you even make me to even want to start losing focus on what I know how best to do. This man told me to say hookup is a crime. The time when I did hookup is a crime. So these things you mean is prostitution, you know, it's prostitution. That's how you see people coming. The people, sometimes they're not be interested in themselves. The man will just come, you know, for sexual gain, will be spreading morality and all this thing. You don't get what the person will do for this life, that people will not come out and talk. What is it exactly? That thing you will ever do, that human beings will not come out and shock their long mat inside to try to use it to take deceive you, correct you, to be God, make your life, they will divert your life. Human beings. Be careful about human beings. They will divert your life. Attention diversion is their work. They know how to divert people very well. Wrong advice has put many people in this life into big shit. Advice is done. Or when on move a problem, no one in the life now. And whereas what you define, they're different. What you they talk now, they're different. This is how this man, he continued coming. He say, make I come up and look for university. I'll come to tell my husband, hey! This man is actually looking for something. I said it. I said it. I said, this man, there is something this man is looking for. It can't be possible. Now let me tell you with you. You're always coming to come and instead of you to just say, I want to be a friend so that you can help me to do a particular thing. You not talk that one. You wanted to divert me, remove me. This is how a lot of people have been deceived inside the church in Nigeria. Inside the church, you know, they turn Christianity to be something else. Christians, it's a crime for you to be serving God and be poor. Yes, to be serving God and be poor, it's not God you are serving. You can't be serving God and be poor. For real. If you are serving God and you are poor, you are serving your pastor. You are not serving God. And your pastor is using you to enrich his pockets. It's not God that you are serving. You'll be serving God. You'll be serving man not God. I will call you when I finish. I'm on live video. I saw your call now. Eh?
Hello?
I will call you, Mr. David, when I finish. I will call you, Oga, when I finish.
Alright, okay.
I did live show. You see, I said you can't be serving God and be poor. This man just come me talk this thing. I say, oh, at my mind, I can't the reason, I can't the think. I say, what should I do to this man now? How should I handle this man? I was thinking, how, which best? Oh, because if you want print for Nigeria, it's very difficult for you to print. The paper that the university wants you to print, they want you to download for their database, from their online, is very, very much. It's very big. So before you open, they download all this one for Nigeria with mobile data and all these things. Rita, I trust you can do all this. This time around, you now become a friend. I think you can do this thing for me. I think you will do it. After doing it, you can send it to me. So place. He was living in Ilorin. He lived in Ilorin actually. In Ilorin, a place called Ilorin, is a Yoruba man. You do this thing for me. You do it. You download it. You blah blah blah. I said, okay, no problem. I'll do it. But inside my mind, I knew that if not God, you wanted to divert me. And what you wanted is different from what you was preaching to me. Even as a man of God, you lied to me. What you was preaching to me is different from what you wanted. What you wanted is different. You just wanted help, a person, because you wanted your children to go to a particular university. You wanted a person that will help you to facilitate the method so that it will be easy for you, easy access. But you not talk that one when you come. You can't talk say, you can't condemn my own life. They say now so you want beautifier. Now you can't use the word of God where you know say you are a deceiver. You started by deceiving me. You can't that is how they are. I don't know say that so they be. The man he manipulated me, my people. He manipulated me. But it's only my husband who quickly saw it to say there's something this man is looking for. All these things where they talk, so what is it? Anytime when I do video, you must come out, you must bring something out. Sometimes he will not even watch the video from the beginning. At the end, now you come me video, you come bring that one, come use and take talk, come use and take come there. I was patient with that man. Later now I come to say, oh, it's university. This man wanted his children to go. That is why he came. And you didn't even come by coming alone. You come by condemning my work. You come by condemning everything that I've been doing. You never even give accolade to me. If you don't see me for social media, you don't go see me come send message now. If you don't see me for social media, you don't come see me come te. How much more say you come see me I come to run around for your children for university. You don't come to see me I come to fill forms. You don't go see me I come to download things for you, they send for you from Nigeria. You see hypocrisy. Every time for this my platform, I always appreciate by hypocrisy because I know the way Africans are. They are too hypocrites. Africans, if they want left, they will tell you say now be the one. Beware of people who just give you advice when you don't ask them. Beware of them. They just come and want to be turning advice and want to be in your life and you don't ask their advice. Beware of them. This is how this man was behaving. When I come notice and I say, oh, so now help this man wants. Now I make him come. I say, okay, I know what I go do. I can't quack me. I don't shake him. I don't shock him. Sometimes we call it, have you done it? This and that. I say, the university sometimes is far from me. It's me that will have my phone. Now me go put fuel for motor. I will use it to drive from here to Leibniz University to go and bring that information where I want to give you when you want to take care of your children. After you don't condemn me, condemn my life, you have never appreciated me one day for what I am doing. No, somebody say, I believe he wanted to know you better. He didn't come for evil. That's very true. He didn't come for evil. I'm not saying he came for evil, but he came the other way. He don't come straight. And this one come they wonder me. Everything where they ever they do for this live video, he has been condemning everything. There's nothing that was good. Nothing. I cannot be doing something from January to December. You will not even see one thing that is good inside. He has been condemning them. There must be a reason for something that I am doing to be against the will of God. There must be a reason for something that is I am doing to be against the will of God. Okay, what is not the will of God? If entertaining people is against the will of God, a woman talking, you say a woman does not talk in pulpit. Those days, women don't talk. You don't see women talking. These days, women are not talking. A hookup when I come, they do na problem. Manipulation. You see? But I never knew that. He was actually looking for something. He wanted to know me better. Okay, I accepted it. Then to carry fuel, like where I stop, to carry fuel put for motor, go say I want to go to university. It's my money, it's my fuel, it's my time, it's my energy. You are not paying for all these things for free. I'm going to do all those things for you. Do you understand? And I go to his work. He never even shared, not be only, I'm just saying, for example, he never shared my video one day. Because I asked him to say, why is it that you don't even share any of my video? And you say you follow me and you see something, sometimes you see something that is not good, you come to me to say, oh, this thing, something is not good, blah, blah, blah. You see me as a worldly person, according to him. You see me as somebody that is worldly. So what is now the connection between me and you? If you see me as somebody that is worldly, the way me I'm living my life, I have a husband, I have children, you are seeing me as I'm worldly. Okay, what is the connection between me and you? For you to now want to use me, use my money, use my time, use my energy to benefit you and your family, a worldly person to benefit you. Also, are you going to tell me that you are smarter than me? You are too intelligent? Now only you now can get intelligent we can big pass for this life. Yeah? Another person not the intelligent, you are the only person who is clever. Your cleverness taught you to say, this one, I will use her like this, I will use her like this. Me, myself, can say, I want to also know. I want to also know the way where this pastor be, if I will still benefit one or two things for her. Now I can tell and say, Pastor Ogasa, see, we are talking, I never go there. Oh, I will go to the university, we will do this, we will do that. I have a person in Benin. He get everything happened to my bank account. I can't use it for 2 days. My bank account is having problem. I can't use it for 2 days. But inside my heart, I was wondering, what do you do for a living? You don't do anything for a living. Beware of pastors who don't have a handwork, who don't work. Not thief, not them be. I don't like it when pastors condemn me, especially when you don't have a personal job that you do in your hand. Me, I stay on live video, I'll be talking and I still have my own personal job. You talk to pulpits, that is where you take your afternoon food, your evening food, your money, everything. This is where you take all your earnings from. And you don't have a personal job that you are doing, except defrauding people. Hey, stop that! Except defrauding people, collecting money from people, telling them to pay tithes, to pay this, to pay that. All right, I'm not against it. This one is what you believe in. But don't condemn me, what I'm doing. If you are condemning me, what I'm doing, you are giving me opportunity to enter into your life, to start scrutinizing your life. Scrutinizing your life and bringing out from your life the things that you are not saying. I'll start to show you to them. What do you do for a living? Nothing. I was not like, oh, your children wants to go to the best university abroad. Germany. Your children want to attend university abroad. I went to his profile. I saw his church members. All of them are looking like Kwachoko. No better person for your church. All of them look like people who never feel even chop better food. People who belly never even full. But this is what you do for a living. And your church is very big. Your wife is there as mommy. You are there as daddy. Collecting and brainwashing them to collect their money. To send your children to school abroad. To come and learn in one of the best universities here. And after that one, you fly them to UK. Greediness. That kind of a person wants to advise me. I don't understand the kind of advice that kind of a man wants to give to me. I don't understand the kind of advice somebody like that wants to give to me. There's no work you do that is registered in your name, except sitting down inside the church and doing that. That one that you do is a crime in Western world. Even all these papa will get beer like this for Western world, then they work. They are doing something. Then they use their hand, they work. After they don't drop those big clothes when they wear for inside church, they go to their work to go and do their daily life. Now so that they do one. But you don't have anyone you are doing. You are busy telling me to say, no, this, you don't do this, you don't do that. I don't want to be saying stuff that he said. I don't want to put that into the mind of people. You don't do this, you don't do that, blah, blah, blah. Now I come tell and say, oh, gas I beg. My account not they work for 2 days. You feel help me pay money into somebody like this account. Somebody like this that is very close to me is having a very, problem and you need money. Nah, please. Help me to transfer the sum of this money into that person's account. Then, I'll come and reimburse you in 2 days. I just wanted to also see how you can also be trusting a person from distance. You don't know me. Now we are not friends. You wanted us to be friends. We are not friends. How you, from your distance that you don't know my house, you don't know anywhere, how you can also transfer money You can also trust me by entrusting your money into my life. Entrusting your money into me. If you have people where they call themselves your friends, make sure you put them to test. Make sure you test them. It's not a bad thing to test one another. This life where we do say, person they test you, test them. If person test you, test them. It's not wickedness. Because some people are just there to use you, nothing else. When they finish using you, they just dump you. You don't even know them. You don't know where they're there. You don't know where they are like there. You don't know anything about them. Imagine. Okay, you do this one for me. Now there I see Pastor Rich. I not see her again. All the beautiful video where that's why I take free myself for this man hand. Just help me to transfer money to somebody. After you have transferred that money, me I will come and give you that money back in 2 days. Let's see how your dedication is going to be. Let's see how you are also going to be dedicated to me, because you don't know me before. You come from Ilorin, you want to use me. After condemning me, we say you even, there is one thing that I've done that you even like one day to say, oh, this one, I for not quarrel. But you don't get one thing where I don't ever do what you like. But you want me to come and use my time and my energy, go to university, because they download, go they ask questions, carrying brochure, everything. Sending you brochure and papers from Nigeria. You see, by the time when I can say, okay, Pastor, help me quickly transfer this money into somebody's money. Pastor, people where they play people for one another, they sharp pass. They are very intelligent. It might just tell and say, oh, this one wants to use me. This one wants to use me. This one might play me for 19. I know him before. You are too far away from me. You see, this is how I just deliver myself from the hand of this pastor. Where you want to carry my head, face, wahala, wahala. Every time calling and calling and calling and calling. Some people will not be friends in your life, but they just come to use you. Know that one. They don't care about your personal affair. A family member asked that favor from me, and I turned it down because I will be the one running around for his son, and I don't have that time. Do you know what it is? The time to be running around for other people. Time is money. Time is money. Oh. Okay, maybe just do one thing for me. Let me really know that you are there for friendship. Do one thing for me. Just make me understand to say you are there to help me. Tomorrow you are a person that all the way from Ilorin, I can also cry to say, oh, Pastor Frederick, or Pastor this, come and help me. You know, I will also cry to you. You need me now. It's not a problem. I'm on live video every day. I'll definitely not take your money. Never. But it was just a test. But you run away. Your money not left you. Not feel let you release for me 1 cent. You want me to be using my own to buy fuel. I go the entire road because of your matter. Your 2 daughters want to go abroad. They want to go abroad to come and do university book. Sometimes the poverty where people dey for that Africa now pastors, many pastors now put them. Look how people are giving birth these days. One woman will born 6. The person where they disturb me for phone say this phone won't put online. Now not they even they use her. Now just put her online. Now they answer call. By the time I went there to say, okay, let me see where you want to say my sister. You see, I'm just looking for help. I have 6 children. 6 children. How old are you? 38. Hey, Salo Buane. 38 years old with 6 children. 38 years old, 6 children. And you are looking like this, like an old woman. Old woman. Wait, if you see her, you will even be thinking to say she's older than my mother. Poverty. Buhari regime is already difficult. 1 minute, my people. Who is doing that? Christina, who is doing that? Who is doing that noise? Then say stop. Buhari regime is already difficult for everybody. Not the only people where even they in Nigeria. Even abroad, it's difficult for everybody. Because when you are coming back home, you are afraid to say, what am I coming to meet in Buhari regime? My people, family planning is free. This time, if you go to UBTH, if you go to specialist, they say you will not even spend up to 1,000 naira safe. Maybe now that card where you want to take. You do family planning. People go just they born 1, 2, 3. Do you know that it's a crime? It's a sin for you to be carrying your children and begging for food. To be carrying children and begging is a big sin. You are not a you can't say you are a Christian on Sunday you go to church. To go and do what? The time you are supposed to go and use it to stay inside church, go and use it to hustle for something and feed your children. To be begging to always be begging is bad when you are not sick. The only people who is supposed to be begging like that are people who are sick. Hand the pain, leg dey pain her, you know, people wey get problem, health issues. When these people beg for food, people can understand to say they are sick, not when you are not sick. And not be even only you. You come in life, you just teach your children how to beggy around. Eh? You cannot even open your phone. Beggars everywhere. Beggars just full inside phone. Begging everywhere. Even when you're on live video. Begging everywhere. It's bad, my people. It's very bad. Please, I've not eaten since morning. Why have you not eaten since morning? Please, I've not eaten 3 squares of meat. Please, I've not eaten that. The time when people go take the fight Buhari, now they use something they beg online. People where they do online work, you want to be. That's how they collect your destiny. Do you know that by begging, your destiny can be collected? Even the small destiny will remain for your hand. People will just use juju to remove it by begging for food every time. Begging for food every time can make people to remove the small destiny that you have. The bright future of your children will be collected because you are begging. You are begging for money, begging for food, begging for everything in this life. Yeah? So for a human being to beg for food, it's a crime against God. Yes, because the time God created you, if you even read Bible, now when you say when they read Bible, where we're not to understand, you know, the woman say, it's against my religion. You know, we don't do family planning. It's against my religion. Family planning is against your religion. So your religion will accept you to born 1, born 2, born 3, born 4. So before you just reach 50 years, before menopause will come now, you just born the whole world finished because your religion is against family planning. Eh? Okay, how is your pastor encouraging and talking to you people to be doing family planning? How? No way. Pastor will just tell you and say, your religion is against, you know, family planning, it's a crime, it's a sin against God. People really need to know what they learn. When you born too much and your children are looking so unkept, you're going to beg, you have 6 children, you want to go and beg food from a person who has 2 children. The person shouldn't give you anything to eat. You shouldn't get anything to eat. It's not a bad thing, my people. 9% where poverty no finish for Africa today. One person go to they carry 7 children, they go. One person go to they born 6, 5, only you. Which body you want to water? For this life where we did. This life where we did so. Where people were even born 2, born 1, born 3. They are passing through heavy difficulties to take care of children. It's not only to born, to give them good life. This is what we are talking about. To give birth is easy. Goats they born now. Eh? Goats they born. Fowl they born. Cow they born. Animals they born. The difference between you and animal must be that you must be different from an animal when you give birth to a child. You must be different from an animal. Not be saying you will say children are blessings from God. If you have children that you cannot give food to, it's a curse. It's no longer children. It's no longer a blessing anymore. You get children. You say your children are blessings from God and you cannot feed them. It's a curse. You will be having children and you will say you will be laughing at a person who is barren, or a person who don't get pikin, will never born, or you could even laugh at a shower they go. You will say you not born because you have 6, you cannot even feed them. You have 5, you cannot even give them something to eat. You cannot even take good care of them. Your children know they go better school. I know a woman the other day for here, we pay 71,000 to buy books. Ordinary buying books for one pikin way born for Nigeria, 71,000 naira. 19 buy books. Imagine you having 6. Imagine you having 6. Even people who live abroad, who have 1 or 2 children in Nigeria, do you know the difficulties they face to take care of those children? Eh? Do you know the difficulties they face to take care of children where be 1, 2, 3? It's not about burning them. It's about buying books, buying clothes, buying good things for them, having a good life for children. Better food go, they want to treat children that will feed chopper. Eh? I bet you will turn your children to make they go to chop for neighbor kitchen. Your children, they carry plates, so they beg food, they go for neighbor. You'll be saying children are blessings from God. No. You are making your children to become a curse. You are making it look like it's bad to give birth to children. And you will be really be a child abuser for you to born more than the children you cannot take care of. Even big men, if you look big men, like people who really have money, they're not they born too much. You see, say, I have 2 children. I have 1. I have 3. That's the maximum you hear from a person who really has money. I'm not talking about people of those days when they bomb. Look, people from polygamy. When born polygamy, when marry one, became married 2. Many men don't even know how many children they have. They don't know because they have first wife, he born 5. They have second wife, he born 10. They have third wife, he born 3. They don't even know how many children they born before they die come for this life. They be very useless in the life of their children. No, nothing good. When I mean useless, I mean useless. A father who cannot pay school fees for his children is useless. A father who cannot afford 3 square meal for picking weight born is useless when you are not sick. A father who cannot give the children good clothing is a useless man. What kind of father is that one? Or even a mother? Eh? But you will hear them, they say, oh, my lady, children are blessings from God. Oh. When God brings, you will just keep them. Please, it's not God that is giving you children. It's your enjoyment. Enjoyment in your belefun we call it of your money. Even person where God hates pass for this life. If they born, animal they born. Eh? African people, this message is especially for Nigerians and ladies in Germany. Mon among the 2 they born. Wa be elegbe. E mo wa voran viri. Eh? You na 2 they born o. Person go born 1, born 2, born 3. Your man say who are being who are busy. Sometimes now come to say now need to take care of them. Okay, what about all this one who turn to professional beggars online? To born say you can take care of them. It's good. Before you know it, you start chasing their father. You start cursing and quarreling and saying, man, don't run, leave you. For having 5 children. Madame, and you were here. Hey, salut. Later now, say this people with their social media are not in way of they're not the talk. Person don't feel open your phone again. If you just open, I go say, please, you're just sending the children picture of food everywhere. Abusing children, bringing out their picture to collect money, to beg for food. People, stop it. People wait in Nigeria. You people should stop this arrant nonsense. More than what they use on our children beg. More than go inside market, go walk. You people are becoming a professional beggar. Eh? You beg too much. It's not how to live life. You are begging people too much and you are becoming liars. Your lies is not getting too much and irritating. Eh? Una too they talk lie. Una they turn una say una be widow, una husband don't die. You follow una they say ask for day. But because una don't bomb for everybody, una turn husband to widow. The day when God go just do and ask your husband will really die. You will say one bad thing happened to you. You don't do good things to yourself. Eh? African people, ladies, women in Nigeria, they do family planning. Even the ones when they say they go school. You hear them telling you that family planning gives cancer. If you do family planning, you will have cancer. Cancer will enter your life. Which cancer? Where did you read that one from? Which book, my people? Family planning, not they give person cancer. Eh? A family planning is cancer. A woman away family planning or more bumbe. Why are we family planning? Why be a bumbe? Eh? Small picking will never reach to born. How old are you? You go say 28 years. How many children do you have? 5. Eh? 5 children, 28 years. For our time, my people, for real, we don't do that. The right time for a woman to really say, let me go into marriage. The right time for a woman to really marry. When I know, to be ready mentally for marriage, a person will be knowing what he's doing this time around. Is between 35 to 40, early 40. It's not too late. Now, this our word with the talk say it's too late because men are becoming pedophile. They want to be sleeping with children. Children when they 18 years, 19 years, 20 years, 21. In Biekano my ladian who going be added to my only and be able or see any other way. Children, if woman too old, una no one marry 38 again, una no one marry 37, una no one marry 35, 40 too old for una. Una want they find small children where never get brain, una go the shit, they no go no say una not the children, they shit them. People wanna go they abuse, they will take it normal. They will accept it as a normal life, but it's an abuse. You are abusing a person will be swallowing it to say na normal life. Now normal life, now me man tell me say sit down for here, don't move. Me man tell me say shut up. Me man tell me say, you know, it's not normal. It's very, very abnormal. It's very, very abnormal. Me man they fight you verbally for inside house, or me woman they fight you verbally for inside. It's an abuse of the highest order. For those days, our parents, they don't know what they abuse. Most of our parents died out of frustrations. And with their children, we didn't know. Maybe now this time, now we wanted to know, say, oh, now frustration kill my mama those days, oh God. Now frustration kill my mama because my papa not let her rest. He go marry many women after he don't follow and suffer. He go pack many women, pack, join her for us, competition for everywhere. Competition for everywhere. Women for everywhere where they follow one woman where he started to suffer with husband. 10 women, I can they follow and do competition for. My people, it's enough to depress a person and put a woman under very big serious depression. It's not good. I cannot imagine if you are online doing this job that I am doing, you will understand what we are talking about. Professional beggars. Half of Nigeria is becoming a beggars. Some people go use bandage, they bandage their leg, they will enter line and be begging money, they are not sick. Why are you working? Don't be afraid of small beginning. Go inside the market and go and push wheelbarrow. The guy where you see say he carry jeep, he carry that one, he carry the other one. These people sometimes not be all money genuine. Sometimes you are not seeing their life, but they have suffered. Some of them don't they suffer. The man you want to imitate has been suffering for many years. You that is starting today, you cannot just want to compare yourself with a person who started many years ago. It's not the same thing. Learn to do your time. Learn to do your thing. Learn to follow one life, one step after the other. African people, why you boy am winning? Emanire Nigeria, why you emanire webo? Use bungbe. Na skin na they look. Na skin na they look. Oh, na weather. Now you cover many things. Fake life too much for social media. Don't allow fake life to distract you so that you will not go and do the right thing you are supposed to do for yourself. How can you be carrying 5 children around, 6 children, you be saying children are blessings for God, you cannot feed them? Why do you him no me have ya koko we? I go wa why woman will be fioko. Or ma will be boy, unu na tank be ami nu de contact me ya. Why me no see no man and go on? Una know the reason why person they talk. If you just open your phone, 10 beggars go just line up. But so no, why you win? Me una go work. The people who now they look their life say don't feed the beg. You go say, Mommy, see your children. Which children? Mommy, see your children. Who was the hand booming and say, what of your bad hand in your huna? I got go and go below Monfo. I be a bay. Why are your family planning in another family planning there? Hospital free, no? Or must say 1,000 naira where you go even pay. You will do family planning, you will cover her. Person where is they say, Mommy, see your children. You do family planning, may not go and join her. No make you not enjoy life here. Wherever don't go and be like your J, no do your bahome. Because I will say, are they good? I will not give you the right advice that you need. If you don't want 6 children finish, you can't carry train put for all of their head. Who don't feel why don't feel your train? They your mama will be a car. Why you believe you go? They don't go sit and take go school for the suffer and you're ignorant. Children cannot even write their name down. Come and see literacy in Europe. People who cannot write their name down. Come and see. Egbele fina baba ya gbelian ya yokoze. Why kweni ya nware koko hudu? Why kweni ya dohian wewebu? Babe ti ogamiji mana. Our people for Africa, how will you educate them? Our people, our governors, our leaders, our women need serious education when it comes to family. Poverty won't kill them. See, suffer won't kill them. If you see what their children are eating to sleep, you'll be, it will come and show you for video. Mama, see your children, oh. Hey! Who say me you born sis? I get when you be some who now. Mommy, see your children. People will get 2, will get 3. It's very easy for them to manage. They are still suffering. It's still difficult. Una go they wait me husband, they do everything for una for that Nigeria. Now person will be say small thing, you start crying on live video. You start crying online. Since when I don't hear say presenters they help people do donation. Una go to una don't turn to una children to people when they take the sample for online, they collect money. Why here? Abihuna. Why are you hospital? Why are we family planning? People want they look, say that they talk. For social media, Europe people want to come back their money. Yes, they are generous. But they know they burn too much. The ones where they feel help now for Europe, they're not born too much. The women who are in Europe, who are able to give you 100,000 when you are looking for money to beg for, who are able to give you 50,000 when you are looking for money to beg for, if you check their house, they only have two, 3 children inside the house. 2, 3 children. On your see anyone a nego, he 40,000 palori anyway. He 10,000 naira palori anyway. He be an egg be no, a saggy of what bag. Whoa. See, I am waiting on where Madame is 20 here. Eh? The Madame 20 here, where I beg you. A platform where you will be a donation, no man, no be your missing. Or who have your missing here, and a platform. Because they get away family planning. Watch it. Eh? Where you did, go and get the correct knowledge. Crime country one and the government not they pay for children. Picking where go do for you, now go do for you. Whether you born only one, whether you get and 2, whether na only guess them be you not born boy inside, whether na only boys them be it doesn't matter the amount of their I don't know how their sex. It no matter. Picking where go do for you, now go do for you. Picking where not do for you, you go bomb 10. You not go even see them to come help you at old age. Now the grace of God will take you and come out for inside. Because a monomari laughing now. See the other one that day who was saying is from a Chekiri boy. One Chekiri boy when they ask question for road. I don't know whether I want to see that video. Say, if you feel use your mama do money, he said why not? He said go use your mama chop ritual. He said go use your mama chop do money ritual. That person can say, so you use your mama do money ritual? He said yes. What about your papa? He said I don't care. He said what do they have for me? This is where I roam around the street. Can they even take care of themselves, not to talk of me? Didn't you people see that video online? Now Peking, I they talk this one. So yes, I will use them to do money rituals. And the pastors that you are believing in, and you are not using your sense, they are busy thinking about how they are going to send their children to the best school abroad. Which one I started from this morning. Now pastor, now they think so I want them to go to Germany. After that, they go to UK. You are there every day praying for miracle. I don't like people who go to church January to December. You go to church on Sunday, you go and stay from 5 o'clock or from when they do morning mass. Or I don't know when you enter. Some pastors will hope you pit. They're not going to leave Unamon and go us. They will preach for 10 hours. What are you preaching? People cannot go and walk. They will just sit down, preach. People going to sleep for share. Yeah? People cannot go and do their work and walk. They will say it's only Sunday. Wednesday again, they will carry bag. Friday again, they will carry bag. They will use transport fare. They will pay offering. You'll be paying for miracle. There is no miracle in this life except miracle of your hands. Finish. The only miracle God gives to you as a human being, now the one where you use your hand to do. Now you know, God will only bless the work of your hands. If they come and find laziness inside your hand, you will bless and join her. Finish. And when laziness is blessed in your hands, you are in trouble. When laziness is blessed into your hand, you are in big trouble in this life. Eh? No allow God can't bless laziness for our hand. Africa people. Stop calling on the government. Every time government, anywhere when you not all years say they do donation now, you all go there. Now they take collect all of your destiny finish. Here are your destiny more. Here are your destiny share your hera. Here are your destiny why fair Yahweh. Ebahwe near Yahweh. Because we are going to le ramiri here and you and Bekbo. We go to Wale le ramiri here. Eh? Even the ones who are brothers and sisters, they are abroad. Una children, they are abroad. That one when our children go give you, no go lie, you don't go rich, you don't go manage. Why you ask when king wa do a wa? Who must to bele capital ni why you and why you? Or see all that can we go why you talk in my why they me eh? I don't know why African people are like this. 6 children, only 1 woman. It's a crime against God. It's not a blessing because you can never take care of them. You not go fit because you are just an average person. You say if they grow, they can't take care of me. Madam, you are lying. Sometimes before they grow, you will die. Did you hear me, madam? You are lying. You might not even enjoy the fruit of your labor. That's the truth of the matter. You might not even enjoy the fruit of your labor and not be me talking, and not be costly. But the way they take care of 1 pikin, 2 pikin, 3 pikin. Before you reach 45 years, madam, you are already responding to nature. Your body is already responding to the consequences and the hypertension and high blood pressure of, hey, waiting my children want chop, waiting my children want chop, waiting I want put for pot. I have 3 children inside the house. Sometimes if I'm thinking about what to cook, I'll still be confused. What should I cook? What should I cook? What should I cook? What should I cook? Should I cook spaghetti? Should I do vegetable? Should I do this? I will still be confused. I have the money to feed them. But I will still be confused about what should I cook. Not to talk of you will not even get money to feed them. Not to talk of, you don't even get the pots to put the food. You don't get the money to buy the food. My mouth na wahala. I want to use and cause wahala for their body this afternoon. The begging attitude of Nigerians is becoming too much. Everybody is becoming a beggar online. Before you online video, say, please, I've been sick for so years. And people who are doing rituals every time, they advertise their rituals on social media for you to see. It's not a crime. They advertise their rituals. You will see them coming to say, if you want to be rich guy, call this number. Don't call those numbers. Greedy people normally call them. They will be collecting your destiny, my people. Those are destiny thieves. They are collecting destinies. Then they thief on our destiny. I cannot imagine one video when I see about 8 boys. They were inside the water bathing. They are expecting money to come. You are inside the river bathing for money rituals. So that money will come. The money that I know. Money is very sensible. Money gets sense. Don't go to foolish places. Do you know that? Money is very sensible. It doesn't go to foolish places. If you're a foolish man, if he visits you, they just visit and go. Yes. If you're foolish, money will just visit you and go. And they leave you out of... Your money will just leave you away to be in your foolishness. Money go to wise people and stay. It doesn't go away. Because you are wise. You have the ability to run the money. You know what to do it for. You sow it. When you sow the seed, the good thing we're supposed to come out for inside money will come out. This is why you see money visit on people and never go. You will say na juju, not be juju. Because they will just be doing the right thing to the money. They will just be fixing the money in the right position. They will be doing the right things. They don't consume it alone. And after consuming it, you'll be expecting... Nigerians are good at consumption. We want to eat everything, including our capitals. Including the one we are supposed to sow tomorrow. We want to eat it now and finish everything. And tomorrow we become beggars. Look at Nigerian legends. People who play football. People who do drama. Who make money. Who touch. Later they die. They go online and start begging for money. Nothing. That's how you see fake life in sunscreen. The one where you use your hand really to make. That one where it brings sweat come out for your body. That is the only promise God gave to you that you will enjoy. And that's the only money you will enjoy. There's no other money you will enjoy in this life. Except the one you work and you labor for it. Finish. The only money you are supposed to enjoy, the only money that carries blessing is the money you suffer for. The works of your hand. That is why you see prostitutes don't even enjoy their money. Because it's not the work of your hand, it's the work of your pussy. And God never said pussy is a part of the kind of money he's supposed to bless. That's why prostitutes don't enjoy their money. They die wretched. They suffer and they die wretched. And if you not quickly leave that job will either kill you, frustrate you, drain you. You will be prostituting and be getting millions, but you will be admiring the life of a person who is into a normal life. You will be prostituting and getting millions, but you will be envy of a person who is living a normal life because you are a prostitute. God will never bless the work of your bekus. Never. It's not part of the job that carry blessings when it comes to the word of God. It's not part of it. And there's no miracle that gives money in this life. Money does not come by miracle. So people who are preaching miracles to you, they are enriching their pockets with the little that you have. I know they like this kind of prayer when people they pray for me, go say, oh, God will bless you, mama. Please give me so that God will bless you. I don't like it. I give when I want to want. No, give. Not be when you constantly say, give me so that the small one where God say bless me, you want to collect them. Eh? God just use that small one to bless me, and you want to collect it. By not doing anything, you are saying, I should come and do it so that God will bless me. Some givings that some of you are doing, you are using to cause poverty in the life of people. Not every giving be good one. Some giving is poverty inflicted. Laziness laziness. That is what some giving costs. When you give some people too much, you make them wretched. You make them handicapped to their own personal need that they are supposed to be taking. That's why I'm not ashamed. When somebody come out to tell me, say, you know if you do this one for your brother, you know if you do this one for your sister. Yes, if I teach you how to fish, you just start fishing. Reason it very well and start to fish. Don't come and depend on me to be living your life. It might like a baby video. But you will be proud of yourself when you are able to do something for yourself. That's the only time you can be ever proud of yourself in this life. That's the only time you'll be proud of yourself. Nigerians and quick money. Online beggars. People should reduce it. The begging on social media is getting too much. I will start preaching against all those donations and begging that people are doing. Person your job will pick for hand. If they go foundation. You see all this foundation when they carry command. So the time of our parents with foundation never full Nigeria. People were hustling, they were working and doing stuff. Making money, they were not ashamed to do anything. Young boys will go to street and do conductor. This time young boys don't want to do anything anymore. Eh? More that's why they boom so that they use the children they beg money from foundation to foundation. What is all this one now? Eh? What will be all this one? A family planning wise you I didn't know see how hospital here me 1 year family planning no why be a bumbe because we are be a bumbe never to aye moya beg go then I give chance wa here na be if yes zigiri una want to zigiri people where they use children they beg around. I don't like it, my people. Please, if you watch me on social media, don't do it to me. I don't like it. I don't like when people pack children photo into my phone. They pack the children on the photo of children. Look at them, mommy. They have not eaten since morning. Look at them since 3. I don't like it. Arrant nonsense. The time when they do family planning, where you day? Eh? They have maybe where are the weather princes or who were by him? Why do you song be one? If I way me I come feel say I be presenter too big. Now lie yo, I'm a worker. A worker, and I spend my time to give people the right advice that will help you to be a better person. Not be saying you can't carry your own public, can't join my own. I'll come to say yes because they call me mommy. I don't like that kind of mommy. Mommy will not they can't add money to my pocket. You are coming to come and be siphoning my own because of your ignorance, and you don't want person to tell you the truth. The truth is that if you born more than 1, 2 in Nigeria, you are going to start suffering because Nigeria is becoming something else. Hmm? Do you know how much 1 cup of rice is? 1 cup of rice, do you know how much it is? And some people cannot even afford half bag these days. Before you can feed and really feed very well, your husband will be working in the corrupt system. Maybe in all this, our political life will spoil. Or your husband will be thief, criminal. Where the thief people won't come to join, till they feed you for house. Hmm? You are busy looking at other women where they flaunt weave-on, where they flaunt hair, where they flaunt better clothes. It wasn't like that those days. After we have work, somebody said, no, Rita, some youth are still hustling in the right way in Nigeria today. Yes, some are hustling, but very many are not doing, my brothers and sisters. Very many. They're not the do. I'm telling you the truth. Some youth are hustling the right way. Many know they do, especially women where just they bomb, they use their children. Women are now becoming the biggest beggars. They use their children till they beg money. Please, you people should stop it. Don't be carrying your children to beg money from one platform to another on social media. Today you dey here. If person want really they expose you now, nyash, the person will do donation for. Tomorrow you will see say there another platform they cry again for donation. The next tomorrow there another place they. And you why you fear for man there? Yeah? You don't understand. You now can't change voice. How are you, mama?
Mama.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mama.
Go and take that one to the parlor.
Yeah, Mama, can we?
Go and take it. Well, now come they use different system, different ways. Somebody say we do legit, sister. Yes, you are not the only one. People are many in Nigeria. We have millions of people. Don't hate it. We have millions of people in